I've been using the Barclays High Yield Savings Account for a while now, and in this video, I'll share my honest and unbiased review. I'll walk you through its key features, benefits, potential risks, and important considerations. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Barclays High Yield Savings Account and whether it's the right fit for your financial needs. Their story. Barclays has a rich history rooted in innovation and a steadfast commitment to helping its clients achieve their financial goals. Today, Barclays is a global leader in financial services, offering retail banking, credit cards, investment banking, and wealth management to over 48 million customers worldwide. Key features of the Barclays High Yield Savings Account. Competitive APY. You can earn up to 4.00% APY, which is 5x the national average, making it one of the highest in the nation. No monthly maintenance fees. You can enjoy a fee-free experience with no hidden charges. No minimum balance to open. You can start saving without the pressure of meeting a minimum deposit requirement. Secure access. You can get 24/7 online access to your funds for peace of mind. Convenient transfers. You can easily move money to and from other banks using online transfers. Direct deposit. You can simplify your savings with direct deposit options. Important considerations. While there is no minimum balance required to open the account, you must maintain at least 1 cent in your account to earn interest. This ensures that every penny of your savings starts working for you. Why choose Barclays? Barclays stands out as a trusted name in banking, offering innovative tools and exceptional service to help customers achieve their financial goals. Pros: high interest rates, no hidden costs, flexible access, user-friendly platform. Cons: no physical branches, limited features, transfer times. Who is this account best for? Savers seeking high returns, low-maintenance bankers, digital-savvy users. As always, consider consulting a financial expert to ensure the card aligns with your specific financial goals and needs.